नमस्कार. प्रबोधन दिशा न्यूजमध्ये आपले स्वागत. नव्या युगाची नवी दिशा देणारी प्रबोधन दिशा न्यूज.
To achieve this, we work very, very closely, and we are working even more closely, I should say, with all our silicon partners, our software partners in terms of developing new end use cases and bringing them to market. It's really about how the PC architecture going forward will redesign itself and the role that artificial intelligence will enhance and then further play as things go forward. Leveraging AI for us is basically having more power to deliver personalized experiences, enabling people to be more productive, more efficient, more useful, and actually taking their performance levels to the next notches up for them to do more out of everything that they do out of their PCs. So let's just look at a few end use cases where AI enhanced PCs we think will make all tasks simpler, to make mundane tasks which required a lot of time, effort, energy in the past, almost like automated and intelligent to perform some of those tasks themselves. For example, research and analysis, where we had to do a lot of data mining, a lot of this is actually getting automated as we speak by the use of AI. Meetings, we all work in a hybrid environment now, right? We are either working from offices, homes, sometimes from Yep, and chassis. This is built with aluminium, with actually high grade aluminium, so that it is sturdy, light, and that's what actually reduces the weight of the machine. Has a 71 watt-hour battery pack, like we said, which runs up to 11.75 hours and weighs less than 1.6 kgs in weight. So thinnest, lightest, but the most powerful gaming laptop it can be what the gamers want really. Now, one of the very important aspects and features of a gaming laptop is the cooling technology, and that's what we are so passionate and so particular about. And this laptop has only gone to the next level on this particular aspect as well. So on the thermals front, in a regular laptop you would see, and I'll show this to you, in the regular laptops that we've hired, there is a high pressurized throw-out mechanism inside the machine, which is making sure that the interior remains well optimized for cooling, while at the same time the rear vents are making sure that you continue to play on the machine without the sides getting heated up and the users actually having their palms heated up for suboptimal gaming experiences. So you can keep playing on this, the machine is keeping you cool, keeping the environment cool, and the rear vents are actually throwing out the air from backside, so you don't actually
HP ने आणले AI तंत्रज्ञान असलेले गेमिंग लॅपटॉप ओमेन ट्रान्सेट 14 आणि HP Envy X36014 लॅपटॉप इंटेल कोर अल्ट्रा प्रोसेस. HP ने AI तंत्रज्ञान असलेल्या नव्या लॅपटॉपची रेंज बाजारात आणली आहे. गेम्स आणि कंटेंट क्रिएटसाठी अतिशय उपयुक्त असा हा लॅपटॉप आहे. या रेंजमध्ये ओमेन ट्रान्सेट 14 आणि HP Envy X36014चा समावेश आहे. गेमिंगचा आणि कंटेंट क्रिएशनचा अनुभव आणखी सुकर करण्यासाठी इंटेलचे अल्ट्रा प्रोसेस आहेत. HP ओमेन ट्रान्सेट 14 हा HPच्या सर्व स्टोअर्समध्ये आणि HP ऑनलाईन स्टोअर्समध्ये उपलब्ध आहे. त्याची किंमत 1,74,999 पासून सुरू होते आणि तो सिरेमिक व्हाईट आणि शॅडो ब्लॅक या रंगात उपलब्ध आहे. HP Envy 36014 हा सुद्धा HP स्टोअर आणि HPच्या ऑनलाईन स्टोअर्समध्ये उपलब्ध आहे. त्याची किंमत 99,999 पासून सुरू. तो मॅटेरिक सिल्वर आणि ॲटोमॅस्क्रिक ब्लू या रंगात उपलब्ध आहे.